Hello, good morning and welcome. And we start today as ever with the AUD CAD. Yeah, this has come down quite nicely. We've now got a little bit of straightening out on the RSI. Haven't quite hit the target, but I'm calling this now as out. So we will get out of this trade now and move on quickly. AUD USD. This is shorted yesterday. we got in, we called it yesterday. Yeah, it has dropped below. It was on the line when I called it. We dropped below the trend line here, so we're still looking at a downturn on that. Yeah, the Brent daily, it's actually moved up on us. So we got into that yesterday, and it's actually longed just a little bit. So we're still looking for that to short. Euro CAD. This has dropped quite nicely. Again, got a bit of a turn up on the euro, on the RSI there. So we're calling that as an out on that. Euro Japan. Well, that has gone quite a bit higher. What we're going to do here, we'll put a trend line on. When we break the trend line, we're going to go short again on this, and quite happy with that. Euro GBP. Again, we've started coming up on the RSI. Calling it out on that one. So anybody who was in up here, get out of it. It's starting to turn. Euro USD. We got knocked out at the white line, so we're no longer in that. Looking to get back in. That's where it broke the trend line. That is one of the problems with a tight take profits. Pound USD. I called this last night, and it has actually dropped a bit more. So we're going to put a take profit in just behind. So there we go. We'll just put that just there. Give it a bit of room to breathe. The sooner you do that, yeah, the less grief you've got. You can have stress-free trading if you can just get that take profit in. On the USD JPY, it has actually longed again. This now has gone up to my second turquoise line here. Now it is just about on the 50% line on the RSI. Could have bounced off it, could have, would have, didn't. We've put our trend line in here. We're waiting for a break of this trend line before we go short again. So you know, keep an eye on that. If anything happens today, I will get back to you and put another video out there. USD CAD. Yeah, we're just on the trend line again. Again with that one, if it actually breaks the trend line, I'll call that later on today. But the the fundamentals on this trade are fairly good. The dollar, as we know, is oversold, and the Canadian dollar is it's an oil currency. So we've got bearish COTs on oil, and the Canadian dollar is a little bit overbought at the moment. So we're looking for the dollar to lose and the Canadian dollar to drop and the American dollar to actually come back up. And that's why we think this one is a very good trade. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.